All right, distance learners. On the second video, I'm with the second crew, and they're trying number 3. We're going to go check it and see how far they got. Or do you guys want time to keep going, or do you want to just dig in? Let's dig in. All right. How do I start it? I start by the rewrite. Hopefully you got that done, right? Then I grab left. When I used to teach this, I'd say stick to the left. My problem is I just deactivated my highlighter, so I have to use my computer. All right, here we go. So we're going to focus only on that, only on that. We're going to do what it says. I have to do n squared divided by n. What is that? N. Where do I put that? Over, it's like fella right here. If you only got that far, you're going in a leg ahead of everybody else. All right? Now, did anyone remember what to do with the n besides Leah? Multiply it in. What is n times n? And I write it right here, and I feel good about it. Why? They're the same. If not, you start over, okay? But I'm not done because there are 2 things out here. What's 5 times n? Plus 5n. I'm ready to move down a level by subtracting, if you like. When there's lots of negatives, though, when I would just always add opposites. I feel great about how we started the problem. Again, I sound like a broken record, but why do I feel great about it? They gone, right? What's 10n minus 5n or plus 5n? Before I can move down a level, sometimes we should. Did anyone get that far? Yeah. All right, that's great, because that's half of it. Now we have to run the program again. Okay, so what did I do first? I highlighted to the left, and I highlighted to the left. And what did I do with them? Divided them. What's 5n divided by n? 5. Where do I put it? On top, right above its loner. Right? The lone number without a variable. You got that far, you're going in really ahead today. Do you remember what to do with the 5? Multiply it. By what? 18. No. No. Multiply 5 n. What do you get?
5n.
I love that. Kenley, did you get that far?
Yes.
Why do I love that? There's a match. Okay, but I'm not done because there are 2 things. What's 5 times 5?
25.
I put it right here. I'm ready to move down a level. I'm a computer program. I'm doing this, then that, then moving down a level, starting over again. What do I do with my 2 levels? I subtract them. And these don't have lots of negatives, so subtraction's safe, but honestly, let's just do that for now. What is 18 and then adding to it more negatives? It's going to balance out negative 7. Yep. Hopefully you got that by not looking at the answer, because the answers won't be there on a test or quiz. You're not done, but you're done.
5's cancel. The 5's cancel.
Yep, the 5s are done. And I'm done. I do. I've hit the end of my bar. I've hit my remainder, but we don't write big R -7 because we're in an advanced math course, right? So do you remember how to deal with the -7 down there? Put it on top. Did you make it all the way through the whole thing, Ken? Holy crap. How about you, Clyde? You guys were catching on too.
I was halfway.
Jackson?
Nah,
You're going to hear the whole thing again.
I know, and I'm really hoping that was confusing as heck. Like, it's like the long division, but it's the variables and the math.
Yeah.
Is there an easier way to do this?
No. All right, I'm going to stop and get ready for my geometry people here. Distance learners, don't forget to take a picture and send me that for your points today, because